Your security is in good hands. Hey, dude. You're not gonna wake him up? Okay. Can I shut the light? Hello and welcome. My name is Maiva, and today I am playing the demo to Fragments of Dread, Late Lines FM. Episode 2? What happened to 1? My name is Ethan Morris. I host a late night radio show called Paranormal Calls on Late Lines FM. Today is February 23rd, 2002. I turned 35. Most people place great importance on their birthdays. Some even celebrate them. For me, it's a little different. I'm going to write everything I've lived through here, as best as I can remember, but I should make one thing clear from the very beginning. Tell me. Nothing is ever quite what it seems. Going back in time. Okay, I need to stay calm. I have to get these sacks onto the boat. And that was too fast. I couldn't read it. Can I run? I wanna run. It's kind of cool art style. When you look that way. Okay. It's shit weather. Okay, just one left. Oh no. What happened? Oh. Happened somewhere else. Let me grab a cold beer and make it to the broadcast. I don't want to argue with the stupid balls.
I'm Daniel Moore, and we're rolling through February 23rd, 2002. The clock's showing 2:07 a.m., and there's absolutely no stopping tonight. Just like last year, we're keeping the vibes high and the smiles wide, with the song that's lighting everything up once again. Everyday Groove is coming up.
What was I here to get? I remember now. I was going to get a cold beer. A cold beer. Aha, cold beers are here. Ashley? Hey, Ashley. She can't hear, idiot. Idiot, is you, Ethan? If you can hear, why aren't you answering? I'm busy, can't you see? I thought your job was being a cashier. Ethan, are you going to pay? I was going to say, put it on my tab. I'll pay at the end of the month. Then why are you yapping? Just take what you're owed and go. I thought I'd set 90. And 90. Okay, I'm sorry. Have a good shift. This girl is really problematic. Where am I going? I don't know why I would be going in there. It's raining a lot. I'll run across. Okay. Better not be run over. Stupid jerk. Is it safe? Is it safe? Wow. Maybe you should drink a little less beer, because you're barely running and you're out of breath. I should get to my room. Your security is in good hands. Hey, dude. You're not gonna wake him up? Okay. Can I shut the light? Shut the door. Oh, not with me in it. Help, I'm stuck. Let him sleep in peace. I need to take my medication. kitchen. Any meds here? Am I just gonna run around with my beer everywhere? Owner's office. Hello? Anyone in there?
Hey.
Jesus.
Huh?
Yes, boss. Haven't you started a broadcast yet? I've been live for an hour, boss.
Huh?
Then why are you still here? Boss, I took a break from the broadcast and went to get a drink. Who gives you this comfort, Ethan? Your mom. What are you saying, Ethan? Speak up, I can't hear. Boss, I only took a 10-minute bathroom break. I'll get back on air right away. During a bathroom break, you go to the restroom, Ethan, not to buy beer. Good point. Anyway, don't forget to mention the sponsor on air. I'll head out in a bit. Okay, boss, have a good evening. Stupid jerk. You call your boss in his face? Jesus. I should get to my chair. How about clean the fuck up? Cute little thing, but I don't think I'd want to spend 5 nights with it. Alright, here I go. Let me put on my headphones. Oh yeah. Ah, the only thing I like about the station is its music. Okay, now what? I drink that. Alright, time to get back on the air. First, I'll turn off the music. Okay, now I'll continue the broadcast with the intro. Oh.
Paranormal calls.
Yes, folks, after a short break, we're continuing our broadcast right where we left off. Let's keep the momentum going with our phone calls. Our first caller, you're on the line. Welcome to Paranormal Calls. Who am I speaking with?
Yo, Ethan! My man! It's MC Hayes! Big fan, man.
Hey, are those creaking sounds in the background part of the paranormal activity, or is there a small earthquake going on inside?
Hey! Hey, everyone! Go to your room! Don't do that in the living room. I'm on the air. Sorry, man. House is a bit crowded. Your show is fire, by the way.
It's obvious, Hayes. The fire isn't just on the show. Were those sounds in the background also part of the paranormal case?
Nah, man, that was just some physical activity. But wait, that's not my main topic. Listen.
I'm listening. I hope what you're about to tell me doesn't involve physical activity.
Man, listen. I was in the studio working on my new track. The beat just dropped, and the sound system in the room, the speakers, they started to levitate, man. I swear. They were floating on the ceiling.
Speakers floating on the ceiling. I see. Hayes, could it be that those aren't aliens crashing the party, but the effect of candy you ate?
Yo. Man, you got it all wrong. This ain't about no candy. This is the power of my music. The beat was so hard, the speakers just said no to gravity. You get me?
Time for you all to land.
You the man, Ethan. Time for you all to land. That's a good one. All right, whatever. Maybe that candy did help a little.
That's weird, because the dialogue repeated itself. Did he just repeat himself, or was that a mistake in the game? You're right about one thing, Hayes. You need to change your supplier. Now go back to your party. Those aliens are waiting for you. Thanks for calling.
Catch you later, buddy. Have a good show.
Yes, without slowing down, let's continue with our next call. Welcome to Paranormal Calls. Could you introduce yourself to us?
Hello, Ethan. I'm Clara.
Welcome, Clara. What will you be telling us today?
Ethan, this might sound crazy, but I heard there's something weird happening on 99.9 FM.
99.9? Oh, flip the numbers and it becomes 666. Very creative, Clara.
I'm serious. A friend of mine listened to it. Apparently, the music on that frequency causes strange things, and some silhouettes start to appear.
Is your friend one of those silhouettes, Clara?
I'm just telling you what I heard. I'm going to listen to that frequency tonight.
Alright, Clara. Call back tomorrow and keep us updated on any developments. But if you see a long black figure in the dark, be careful. Clara, I think she got mad at me. Anyway, that's all from me for today. See you again tomorrow at the same time. I wish everyone a paranormal night. Goodbye. Alright. 99.9 FM, huh? Hasn't this frequency been shut down for years? I got curious. I'll take a look. 99.9.
Between the frequencies, I see what an atmosphere.
This song is very disturbing. What's going on? Oh no, the lights went out. Shit, the stupid generator shut down again. I'll go start it. I have a flashlight. Generator.
Huh?
Where my generator at? Do I know where it's at? I can't with the breathing. Hello, security. Are you still sleeping? Yes. Just, you know, good to know that I can count on you. Where do I go? Where's the generator? Did something happen? Oh, it's in here in the storage. It's out of gas. Yes? Not anymore. Not for long. Let me try again now. Huh? Albert? What? Haven't you left yet? What are you doing there? You scared me. Nothing. Why does this generator keep shutting down? Don't you check the fuel? I do. Then why does it shut down? I don't know. Alright then, Albert, go mind your own business. All the idiots end up finding me. Okay. How you doing, Albert? You know, at first I was thinking that he was farting, but then I realized that would be a really, really long fart. The weather's awful. No bus is coming at this hour. I should talk to the boss. Maybe he can give me a ride home when he leaves. I love you? Boss? Mary Kane. Who's Mary Kane? Where boss at? Boss? Boss, do you have a minute? Ethan, can't you do anything properly? What happened, boss? Didn't I tell you to mention the sponsor? Shit. I'm talking to you. I forgot, boss. I'm sorry. You won't forget, Ethan. You won't. If you get your paycheck on time, it's thanks to those sponsors. Anyway, what do you want? Let me guess. Asking for an advance again? No, boss. I was just going to say Ethan, what were you going to say? Spit it out. I can't find a bus in the sweater, so would it be okay if I slept on the couch in the studio? Do whatever the hell you want. Just stay out of my way. By the way, I'm heading out now. I'm sending security home too. The guy just had a kid. If you're staying, let him go home at least. Alright, boss. Good night. Ethan? Yes, boss. Get out of my office. Jesus. Grumpy bastard. Looks like I'll have to sleep on the couch in my room. My room. You call this your room? More like a dump. I thought it. A strange figure. How did the song turn on? What's going on? I need to turn off the radio. Alright. There you go. This is bullshit. I'm going home. Alright. Hello? Shit. Albert? Albert, what's going on? Where are we? Please forgive me. I promise I'll treat her well. Albert, what are you talking about? What's happening? Albert, I'm talking to you. What the hell do you want? Albert, calm down and tell me what's going on here. It's all because of that damn song. The song? The one playing on 99.9 FM? Curse the day I listened to that song. What do you mean? Is the reason we're here the song playing on 99.9 FM? I've been trapped here since the moment I first listened to that frequency. Shit. Albert, so how are we going to get out of here? I don't know, Ethan. I don't know. The only thing I know is the moment that damn song starts playing, cover your ears, move slowly, and find the radio and silence it. Otherwise... Otherwise what, Albert? Speak. Ethan, cover your ears. Need to find the radio and turn it off. There's a note here. We can't stay here. This house is no longer safe. I'm taking Ethan and we're leaving. Don't look for us. Don't follow us. Please stay away from us, Hannah. Oh, this is not my room. Where was it again? Not there. This is boss's room, no? Oh, radio's right there. Hey, you just ran away from me. Hey, I saw that. It's a ghost. There must be a way out of here. Where my boy Albert go? Security! No table. The day had started well for them. Those heavy footsteps reached the door. First, screams rose from inside, then silence fell. Only the child's scream remained. There must be a meaning to this. Why did I put it on? Why did I put it on? I don't have flashlight anymore. Flashlights do not exist here. So many empty rooms. Coffee. Alright, I think I listened to them all. Can I put light on? No? So now what? What is the purpose? What is the purpose? What is my purpose? Hello, dark room. Hello, dark room, my old friend. Alright, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Maybe a sequence, but I can't with this guy. This guy can't even run without starting to breathe so heavily. Personally, I don't think it's scary. It reminds me a bit of Killer Frequency. If you like this video, please consider a like, subscribe, or comment below the video, because any of those help me out and I appreciate it a lot. Let me know what you thought of this demo. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.